Right now, I am going to show you how to install a new toilet seat. So this is a soft close toilet seat that my mom wants me to put in on her toilet here. So a couple things you want to check first beforehand, and that is the length of the lid here, and then also the color, right? So it's got a little window here so you can check the color, and then you can confirm the correct size. So here on the box, it's even showing you how to do that. You want to make sure to measure from the mounting screws to the end of the toilet seat. So you'll just do that with your measuring tape, make sure you have the right one. So mounting screws are going to be right here, and then you're going to measure to the end of the toilet seat. And so we're right there at our 18 and 5/8. So this is going to be the right size for us. So we'll get this out in a second. First thing, we want to remove the old toilet seat. The one thing I love about this one is that it is quick release. So these two here, you just twist these, and then you can pop the toilet seat right off here. The new toilet seat is not quick release here.
So below here they have these wing nuts.
So here you're just gonna hold on to the wing nut below and then unscrew from the top. And then once you get it loose, you can typically just use your fingers here. It's a pretty long screw, so you're just gonna twist for a while, but it comes out really easy. Go ahead and unscrew the other side. Now with the screws out, now is a good time to kind of clean under there. You know what that is. So I'm just using a disinfectant cleaner here. If you got some bleach, use whatever cleaner you like, but just go ahead and clean up those holes there, and then we'll install the new one. So here's the new one. It does come with everything to install it. So we're gonna get new hardware here to mount it. So let's go ahead and get that on. All right, so it looks good. It matches well, so we like it here. On this one here, we're gonna have to mount it. So let's go ahead and figure out the mounting brackets. It does come with instructions here to get you started. So the first thing we need to do is install the bumpers. So it comes with two bumpers, and we are just going to click them in place here. Now we need to mount the toilet seat to the actual toilet. So this is the Kohler toilet seat, and it does come with instructions. It looks for two different lids and how they connect here. So basically one has, it looks like these plastic washers, and this one just has these metal washers. So we've got the one with metal washers. So it's pretty much the same exact process as we had before, except for this one is not a quick release. All right, so now we need to mount this to the actual toilet seat. On this soft close hinge here, you actually have to push this down, and it gives you a little bit of resistance here, but that's just how the soft close toilet seat works. So once we get it pushed down into position, on the back here, you want to get these brackets lined up with the holes to fasten it to the actual toilet. So this one here, we just got a screw and a washer. Now some of these might have a plastic screw still, but these updated ones have a metal screw. So we're just gonna drop the screws down in with the washer on. So let's do the right side and the left side here. Let's pop it in there. Now these go back on the bottom here. So this little wing here is gonna be facing down, and the screw is gonna go right in the top there. So we're just gonna do that underneath. So we're just going to reach underneath and grab and hold the wing nut, and then from the top we're just going to screw it in. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. The wing nut's going to go underneath on the bottom of on the tip of the screw, and then we're just going to screw it in. Now before you tighten it on too much, you do have a little bit of room here to kind of line it up and get it in place. So you want to kind of just make sure that it is straight and you are happy with it. And this looks pretty good here. So just kind of move it as much as you can to get it lined up. Once you're happy with the position here, then you can just go back in and actually really crank down on these to secure it in place. These just push back down, and they do kind of click into place there. So there it is, it's all installed. It took me all of about 10 minutes. It's a soft close toilet seat here, so when you drop it there, it does not just fall. And then the lid is the same here. So we've dropped that and they both catch. And then it looks like they're gonna take about 20 minutes to close. They are going so slow. But that's the soft close, so we don't have slamming lids in the house anymore. So there you go. That is how to easily install a new toilet seat. If you like DIY around the house, feel free to like and subscribe. I hope that was helpful.